I've got an antique Singer model 66 with red eye decals. It was a 66-1, but I upgraded it to side clamping foot, so it uses all the basic attachments and feet. The serial number is G9093504, which dates it to 1921. There are a series of scratches here on it from a pin cushion. There's also some wear along the front, and the decals are slightly darker than normal. Chrome pieces are pretty good, except the rear plate has some blemishes on it. There's a boss or a hub for mounting a motor or a hand crank. It is a treadle machine set up in the treadle table, and the table's for demonstration purposes only. It's been serviced and gone over and sews pretty well, so I'm going to show you how well it does. There's 6 layers of denim that were already stitched once. The photo in the ad. And I'm doing full speed stitch, so that way it tests if it does break thread or skip stitches. It doesn't necessarily happen when you're going at slow speeds. Let's see, it goes through the denim with ease. Try to get in here a little bit. A little hard to see with the pink on the back, but with the yellow, you can see there's no skip stitches. And there you have it.